Welcome to our lesson on programming fundamentals. In this session, we will delve into the foundational aspects of programming, discuss the significance of C++, and explore why it's crucial to learn this powerful language. Programming is the art of instructing computers to perform tasks. Before delving into any specific language, it's essential to understand some basic concepts. Understanding these fundamental concepts provides a solid foundation for learning any programming language. C++ is a powerful and versatile programming language with a rich history and wide-ranging applications. Here's why it's worth investing your time in learning C++. Performance. C++ is known for its high performance, making it ideal for applications where speed is crucial, such as games and system software. Versatility. C++ can be used for a wide range of applications, from desktop software to embedded systems and beyond. Industry relevance. Many industries, including finance, technology, and gaming, rely heavily on C++ for critical applications. Foundation for other languages. Understanding C++ provides a strong foundation for learning other languages, both within the C family, like C# and Objective-C, and beyond. Learning experience. Due to its complexity and depth, mastering C++ can significantly enhance your problem-solving and critical thinking skills. In today's increasingly digital world, the ability to code is becoming a valuable skill across various fields. Here's why learning C++ is particularly important. Career opportunities. Proficiency in C++ opens doors to lucrative career opportunities in software development, game design, cybersecurity, and more. Understanding core concepts. C++ exposes you to low-level programming concepts like memory management and pointers, which are fundamental to understanding how computers work. Contributing to open source. Many open-source projects, including operating systems and libraries, are written in C++. By learning C++, you can contribute to these projects and collaborate with developers worldwide. Problem-solving skills. C++ challenges you to think critically and solve complex problems efficiently, skills that are invaluable in any profession. Innovation and creativity. With C++, you have the power to create groundbreaking software and push the boundaries of technological innovation. In this lesson, we've explored the basic concepts of programming, discussed the significance of C++, and highlighted why learning this language is essential. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, mastering C++ will undoubtedly enrich your understanding of programming and open up a world of possibilities in the digital landscape.